Hey guys, good morning. I'm back with another video. I just thought I'd do another work week in my life. I am a digital organizer in Washington, D.C. I work on social justice issues and it's a lot of fun. We're obviously working from home right now, which is interesting. So I'm just going to take you along with me today and show you everything that I have to do and what it's like to be a digital organizer at an organization that works on social justice issues. Let's get going. I'm just gonna go brush my teeth. Hey guys, okay, so I just got upstairs. I just set up my little workplace that I'm gonna be working at today. It has a really cute view, so that's gonna be fun. I'm just gonna go make my coffee right now. So I'm gonna head over there. I have a lot going on. I just checked my Slack messages and my email, and like there's just so much happening, and I am going to be doing a ton of work today. Using Pete's espresso pods in this Nespresso. It's gonna be real exciting. Hey team, so I just thought I would set up my day. I am using both Notion, which is an app actually a commenter told me about, I use that to write notes during meetings and to create to-do lists and things like that. So what I'm gonna do now is go into my things I just need to do, and I really like it because I used to use Asana, which has a similar setup to this, and I think it's really useful. So there's a few things I have to do. So I'm gonna actually add those to my Google Sheet. I'm gonna start this at 10:15 as a task, and I'm gonna create soapbox strategy document. And then I already have some things like recurring tasks. I have to update our digital library, and then I have a bunch of meetings later in the day. That's weird. Okay. Yeah, I've got a lot happening today. But yeah, so I just did all this. I'm gonna probably add a few more things as they come up this morning since I just started. But that's kind of just how my morning's gonna go, I guess. And then I will be back soon because I'm gonna get started. I'm back at my desk now. I have everything I need to start my workday, which is my coffee that I make with my Nespresso, chapstick, glasses, phone, laptop, and charger. So that's what I use every morning to get my day started. Most mornings I'll open up Slack, which is the chat messenger app that me and my colleagues use, and I'll just check to see if there's any messages. It looks like there's quite a few things moving that I wasn't a part of on Friday because I was out. So I'm gonna try to jump in and be as helpful as I can this morning because it looks like my manager is swamped. So one of the things that we're doing is we're working with a partner in a different state to support them and help them get digital work up, like ads and events that they might be doing around racial justice or housing justice or things like that, because they often don't have the capacity or the money to be doing that. So I'm in here in DC, I help them set those things up. Oh, and then I have to set up another petition online for a test that's going to be run by our electoral team. They're the team that works on usually door knocking, canvassing, I don't know if you've ever lived somewhere and someone knocked on your door and was like, hey, are you registered to vote? So obviously that's not happening right now. Well, actually Trump's campaign is doing it, which is making a little bit of progressives nervous. But we're doing digital stuff right now, a lot of digital things to remedy that, I guess. So yeah, so we're just doing a lot of digital ads and texting to remind people to vote and to register to vote, and to remain active in voting. So yeah, so now I'm just going to work on some of this. It's not gonna be very exciting, but I will check in a little bit. Okay, so I just finished my first task of the day. I basically had to create like a strategy document on a service app that I've never used before. So and have to make it successful in our campaigns, and I just like don't know how to do that. So I just had to come up with some ideas, and I'm gonna start testing them out next week. So hopefully they go well. I feel like there's always new tools coming out that can help organizers reach people and get these things done, and there's just always something more to learn. But I'm actually pretty excited because I'm able to like add this to my resume as something that I've used before and done strategy around. So I'm pretty excited about this actually, even though I am nervous that it's not going to be successful. But I'm going to just send this to my manager in a little bit. I'm just listening to some music as well, just because I was getting a little anxious, just because there's really a lot happening today. And so I just put on my Discover Weekly playlist and I feel a little bit better. But now I'm going to work on my like to-do instruction list for my coworkers for whenever I'm out, because I do a lot of things that they don't know how to do, or they don't know the processes for it to get it done properly. So I'm gonna write that down for them and then send that over to them. And then I'm setting up a petition page around the HEROES Act, which is the Health and Emergency Recovery Omnibus Emergency Act. That is currently being worked on to provide assistance for people during COVID. Yeah, so like that bill is supposed to be negotiated within the next 15 days, and we're basically going to just be running a campaign asking people to push for this bill, to push for it to cover a lot of people. And so I'm going to be setting up that petition later today. Our campaigns have been doing super well lately. Like the cost per acquisition has just been so low, which has been awesome. It's just people are like really energized about these issues right now, especially with everything that's been going on. They want more equity, and they want the government to do what it's supposed to, which is to protect its people. And it feels really good to be able to do this kind of work, and I'm just pretty excited about it. Hey guys, I'm just checking in again. It is now 12:45 and I did a lot of work. I completed some tasks that I had to get done and sent them over to my manager, so that feels really good. And then I actually took like a 20-minute nap because I felt like I had been like totally, I don't know, like I get tired really easily. And I had to take a lot of naps. So I took like a 20-minute nap, and then I woke up and continued some work. And I'm actually pretty hungry now, so I'm gonna go heat up some lasagna and then make my second coffee of the day. And then I have an hour before I have to get on a call. I have 2 calls this afternoon, and then some more work to do at 4 p.m. until about 5:30 when I start my day. So I'm gonna go do that. So I have my lunch, and I usually try to not work while I eat my lunch, just because I always did that when I was at the office, and it's just kind of nice to like watch a YouTube video or do something else when I'm eating. So I'm gonna just eat for probably 15 minutes, and then I have my coffee here, and then I'll start up on my next work. Hey y'all, so it's now 2:16. I have to get on a meeting in 15 minutes. It's about compliance, like I think between our C3s and C4. Because we're nonprofit C3, and then we also have a C4, and we can only do a certain amount of lobbying under one of the arms and just all the stuff. So I'm gonna have to work on that, or go to that meeting. So yeah, just got a message from someone to fix some language on a petition, and I'm going to change that now. But yeah, work's been good, can't complain. So that's work today. So normally I work in downtown DC, just like 10 blocks north of the White House, maybe less, I have no idea, I just made a random number guess. but I work on 14th Street, which is like a really central street. There's a lot of bars there. There's a lot of restaurants, stores. It's a pretty like bustling area of Washington, D.C., and that's where I'd normally be going every day to go work, but obviously during COVID that's not happening. I really love working in downtown DC just because it is such a vibrant place. There's people from all over the world, and you're just never gonna find like people who are all there for the exact same reason in DC. Like musicians don't really come to DC, that's like New York City. Actors don't really come to DC, that's like LA. Like DC, you're in DC if you are passionate about issues that affect real people and you want to create change in some capacity, whether it's foreign relations or like trade or domestic issues like racial justice. That's not just domestic, sorry, international, but like with a domestic focus, racial justice. If you're passionate about a candidate in your area winning, if you're passionate about making your community better, you know, like if you're from California and you're seeing a lot of hardship in your community, you can move to DC and work for that specific area. DC is just an amazing place, and everyone there is like working to do something really good. Oh, also there's people that are working to do bad, but I only know the people that are working to do good. So yeah, I'm gonna go get some water before I get on this next call. Hey team, so I got off my last call of the day. It's currently 4:24. I have a little bit more work to do and then I'll be done. And tonight I am just going to go to the Apple store to get a computer fixed, and then maybe go to Target. And then I'm gonna go to sleep really early because I have an operation on my nose tomorrow. So that's kind of what we have going now. Just wanted to check in and give you guys an update. Hey guys, so it is currently 9:15 p.m. and I'm gonna end the vlog here because I have to get ready for my surgery. They gave me like a whole bunch of stuff to prepare. I like lost this paper for a while, which isn't good. Like I have to use a special cleanser that I had to buy from CVS to like disinfect myself today and tomorrow before I go, and some other stuff, so that's gonna be really fun. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and please subscribe if you want to see some more work from home videos or working in DC hopefully soon videos, things like that. And yeah, thank you so much guys, bye.